All right, when we're solving this type of problem, we really use the same tools we did before. You can possibly multiply by 100, or you can just go for it and solve. In this case, I'm just going to go for it and solve. So let's go ahead and get our variable terms on the same side. We'll start by minusing 0.78b from both sides. Again, we want to keep that balance. So we subtract those. 0.6 minus 0.78b is going to be negative 0.18b. Still minus 1.9 equals 1.7. Okay, now we're going to add the 1.9. We want to get our constant terms on the same side. So we cancel those out. We still have the negative 0.18b equals 3.6. I want to finish isolating that b, so divide by negative 0.18 to both sides. And I end up with b equals a negative 20. So again, this would work exactly, you would get the exact same answer if you multiplied first by 10 throughout or 100 throughout to get rid of the decimals. But in this case, I prefer to just go for it. So either way works, and you will get the right answer, the same answer if you do it correctly.